everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I have a new wig from Nadula hair. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So this is everything that came in the packaging. Now Nadula is a little bit special to me because they always send the best gifts inside the box. So this time I got the standard goodies, and then I also got this robe. So super cute. But let's go ahead and get into the unit. So this is a 13x4 unit. So it was ear to ear for me. I loved that this unit came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do too much. The texture was amazing. The lace felt good. The actual wig felt great. I have no issues at all with this unit. Very, very easy, beginner friendly, very easy, like I said. And I did very little to this unit. Actually, all that I did was all that I did was bleach the knots. So yeah, let's just get into that. I bleached my unit. Then I did go ahead and shampoo and condition. And this hair did very, very well with that entire process. No shedding, no excessive shedding, no tangling. And then for this texture, I think the hair held up very, very well. I did let it air dry, and again, no issues at all. So definitely beginner friendly. If you're looking for a unit like this, definitely go ahead and check them out. I have their information in my description box below for you all. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the actual install. I loved how this wig turned out, so I hope you guys enjoy. I did a glueless install, nothing major, very simple. Yeah, so go ahead, check out the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit or just checking out the company. Definitely go ahead and do that. And please like the video, subscribe, and thank you again so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.
That I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. think waste my time. Don't go blowing